And what's happening YouTube, your boy Tech Tricks back now the video. Today we're looking at the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC, and this can cancel 98.5% of noise. It also has active noise cancelling 2.0. We're gonna show you how well it does today, and let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. It is an affiliate link. It does help out the channel a lot if you do buy it from there. So here we go. Let's open this up. In the package, this is what it looks like. As you can see there. Let's take this out. Has some packaging on the back. Some literature, USB-C cord, and it also comes with extra earbuds back there, small, medium, large. I like how they use recyclable material as well for this instead of plastic. And that's what it looks like. Looks beauty. I like the color of it too. Let's open it up by pressing this button right here. There it is. That's what the earbuds look like. Has the Soundcore logo on the back. As you could see, it lights up as well inside. That's how you know that it's charging. Let's try these on in our ears now. Alright, pretty good. Like, why can't Apple make one of these? Look, you just click it and it opens. That's beauty. So it does fit really well in my ears. It's really good. Let me know what you think down below, what it looks like. How's it look on my ears? Not bad. Let's do a shake test as well. See if if you're doing boxing or something like that, running around. This will be really good because it won't fall off your ears. Now this also comes with different colors. You got the pink one right here, blue one right there, light blue kind of color there. Then of course the one we unboxed, the dark blue. Kind of looks like dark blue to me. It also comes in black and white. The Soundcore Liberty 4 NC reduces up to 98.5% of noise. It has noise cancelling earbuds that have high sensitivity in-ear sound sensor, an oversized driver, and an innovative noise isolation chamber that cancels up to 98.5% of noise for peaceful travel. The adaptive active noise cancelling 2.0 analyzes external and internal noises via in-ear and external sound sensors with an additional 512 order FIR filter to effectively remove unwanted noises in real time for more precise and instantaneous noise cancelling. It also delivers a very crisp sound with 3 times more detail. It is equipped with an 11mm custom tuned drivers that can deliver crisp, detailed sound that feels like you're switching on HD for your ears. You can experience high-res wireless audio and LiDAC technology that transfers 3 times more than the regular Bluetooth, bringing wireless music to life. This is able to do like 10 hours of playtime as well. And if with the charging case, you'll be able to charge and play it up to 50 hours, which is really good. The 11mm driver as well is a good addition. It has support the LiDAC decoding for the highest quality audio, and which I think it's really nice, really good bass because of it fits in my ears really well. Go ahead and pair this up with their iPhone now. Go to Bluetooth. And as you can see on the bottom here, Soundcore Liberty 4 NC. Once it is connected there, all you need to do is open the Soundcore app right there. And there you go. Liberty 4 and C. It'll show you how to look for the suitable ear tips right here. Suncor is just trying to see that the earbuds actually fit your ears and fits your hearing, because they actually have Hear ID where it tests how your hearing is. There's also touch operation right here where you can select a few things like tap, double tap, long press, so that you can control phone calls and also music. They also have adaptive noise cancellation interaction, which is really good because it will actually test how well noise canceling depends on your area as well. You can have transparency mode right here, which has a wind noise reduction option, or you can do full transparency as well, or just do vocal if you're just talking to someone, which is most useful for most things. It's still gonna noise cancel, but then the voices will be open to be heard. In the noise cancellation area here, if you select that, there is the adaptive noise cancellation that we mentioned earlier. With this, wherever you are, whether you're in the office, maybe on a transit system, it'll adapt towards those decibels, which is really nice to see. That's a really good technology to have with you, especially if you have no clue if everything is changing, right? But for those of you who wants to have a better noise canceling, you can use the transportation mode as well as plane, trains, LRTs, cars, if you're in the traffic or something like that, or you can do a manual mode as well. Another feature that the Liberty 4 has is the sound effects tier, which basically adapts your earbuds on your hearing. It actually has Hear ID sound. Here they'll give you a test, a hearing test, so that you'll be able to have the best sound for your ears. Let's just test and do a test here and see how well my ears are. You need to be in a quiet place before you do this. Anyways, let's just do the test. Basically here we're just gonna hit cannot hear or hear, depending on if we can hear the sound that is playing in the earbuds. Once all done, it'll give you the EQ there, which is the best fit for your ears. And then now we're just gonna listen to a few songs, and we're gonna pick if it's better sounding on our ears, whether it's sound A or sound B. Once all done, as you can see, it's optimizing the sound, and this is the proper EQ that is suitable for our ears. That's really awesome. For those of you who have no clue how sounds work, this pretty much takes out all the guesswork. Soundcore does it all in the app, so you'll be able to fit the right sounds for your ears, which is really amazing. Now, for those of you who wants a custom Hear ID, you can do that as well. Or you can have a favorite music genre. You can change it to that as well. There's a default EQ as well, sound effects that you can use here. And there's also custom EQ for those of you who are nerds who knows how to create your own. You can do that here as well. Different options for everyone. You also get to set your safe volume depending on your type of ears. If you're sensitive, you can set that off to maybe just up to 90 decibels there. Great option as well, great addition. And then of course the controls, you can fully customize it. The single press, you can pick one of these to change instead of like play and pause if you don't really care about that. There's the double press, which is in default previews or next depending on the earbud. And I put the triple press as Siri, which is another option as well. And then for a long press, we're just gonna do the change on the noise canceling, transparency, and whatnot, which is really handy to have. If you want to change your volume, most of the time I just use my phone for that anyway, but you can use that as single tap. Some people do that. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new Soundcore Liberty 4 NC. If I was able to help you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you want to go on the DC, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link. It does help out the channel a lot if you buy it from there. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.